In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to access and maximize the potential of great Notion support services. If you're new to Notion or just looking to streamline your experience, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step of leveraging Notion and its AI capabilities to help you manage information effectively. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate over to Google and type in Notion in the search bar. This will direct your search toward everything you need to know about this powerful tool. Once the search results load, you'll likely see the official Notion website near the top. Click on this link to be redirected to the Notion homepage. Here, you'll have the option to log in. If you don't already have an account, you might take a moment to set one up. Logging in will open up a world of possibilities, providing access to your personalized workspace. Once you're logged in, locate and select Notion AI from the options available. Notion AI is a remarkable feature designed to enhance your productivity by allowing you to brainstorm, plan, and organize your thoughts more efficiently. Once you've clicked on Notion AI, the fun truly begins. You can type anything you'd like Notion AI to assist you with. Whether it's drafting an email, planning a project, or even creating content, you can utilize its intelligent capabilities to ease your workload. You also have the option to use Notion on existing pages. This enables you to integrate AI into workflows you already have set up in Notion. Additionally, if you want to start afresh, you can create new pages from scratch using Notion AI. To get started on these tasks, simply begin typing into your Notion page. Once your text is in place, you can highlight it to access additional functionalities. With the text highlighted, a pop-up menu will appear. This is where Notion AI can provide even more assistance. Click on the Ask AI option from this menu. You'll be presented with a variety of tools and suggestions that Notion AI can offer to improve your work. For example, if you want to enhance your writing, choose the Improve Writing option. If you're satisfied with the suggestions and changes it makes, simply click Accept to finalize them. You can also access Notion AI features from the bottom right corner of your page. Here, you're free to explore and ask Notion AI to create anything you need. For instance, if you're curious about creating a habit tracker, simply ask the AI, and within moments, it'll generate one for you from scratch. Such ease of use and accessibility can make organizing your personal or professional life both effective and engaging. There you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Notion experience using Google and great Notion support services. I hope this guide empowers you